Moving on to the next question. The question number 5 is about the biotic components of the ecosystem. About the biotic components, we can classify these biotic components of an ecosystem into 3. They are autotrophs, heterotrophs, and saprotrophs. The word troughs means nourishing. That is the literal meaning of troughs, nourishing. If an organism or if a component is feeding on themselves or they are self-feeding, they are called autotrophs. They are self-feeding species in an ecosystem. And as we all know, plants are autotrophs. They synthesize their own food through photosynthesis, chemosynthesis and all. They are autotrophs. Now, heterotrophs are nothing but the components which depends on others for food, for nourishment. They can be classified into herbivores and carnivores. Herbivores are those species which eat on these autotrophs or these primary producers or the plants. They are plant-eating species. They are herbivores. Carnivores are nothing but they eat on these herbivores or the secondary level of trophic level. So, what is saprotrophs? Sapro means dead. So, some components, they feed on dead matters. They get nourishment from this dead and decayed matter. They are called saprotrophs. And the main decomposers in an ecosystem are called saprotrophs. These decomposers, what they do? They'll work on these dead matters, these decayed matters and absorb nourishment from them. And decomposers are saprotrophs. Now, just go through the question. First statement is herbivores are primary consumers. They feed on producers. That is right. Herbivores comes under the heterotrophs and they feed on these plants. And the examples are rabbit and sheep. That first statement is right. Second is carnivores. They are secondary consumers and they feed on herbivores. That is right. And the examples given are lion and wolf. The higher carnivores, something like the higher carnivores. That is also correct. And third statement is about decomposers. And the statement given here is they are primary producers. Is decomposers the producers? No. Decomposers are something which act on dead matters. They are saprotrophs. They are not autotrophs or primary producers. They are saprotrophs which eat on dead and decomposed matter. So this statement is wrong. Examples given are fungi and bacteria. That is correct. Fungi and bacteria are decomposers, but they are not primary producers. They are feed on dead matters. They are saprophytes. So this statement is wrong. First and second are correct and third is wrong. So the answer here is B. Only two statements are correct.